Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to, well, first of all, thanks for logging back on for math today. Hopefully, everyone looked at the foundations lesson this morning and completed the activity for the foundation lesson. The activity is not due until I think it's Friday at 10 o'clock. I also posted it on Class Dojo just in case you want to check it on Class Dojo. So the links for the videos are on Google Classroom and on Class Dojo. So today for math, I want to revisit a skill that we've already talked about and learned about in class, and it's talking about number bonds. Number bonds are very simple. They help us to add, which is compose, and to decompose, which is subtracting, using a whole number. And so in a number bond, we're able to see the part of a number, and then we're also able to see that whole number. And I'm pretty sure you probably already watched the video that I asked you, that I uploaded right before my video, that has a lady, the teacher, she's explaining um, the number bond using some animals and the different ways you can break down a number. So she used the number 5 and the number 8, I believe, in her video. And so I want to push us beyond the number 10 today. So the number that we're going to use for the example is the number 11. So I'm going to write the number 11 really large and put it in the bubbles so that everyone can see. And so we're going to break the number 11 down today in 3 ways, okay? The first way we're going to break the number 11 down is 11 equals 1 plus 10. Then we're going to do 11 equals 5 plus 6. And then the last way we're going to do it today is 11 equals 9 plus 2. Now, there are a ton of other ways to build the number 11, but we're just going to focus on these 3 today. So when you're drawing your number bond, you can use either boxes or clouds or circles. Circles are your standard way of drawing a number bond, but we're stuck in the house, so we might as well just make it a little bit fun. So I'm going to use, on my first one, I'm going to use clouds. So I'm going to do the large cloud for my whole number, and then 2 smaller clouds for my part, okay? Now, when doing a number bond, you can draw pictures and you can also use the number. So in my part, I'm going to start off with the number 11 is equal to 1 plus 10. So in my whole part, I'm going to draw 11 dots. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remember, keep your pace. So let's start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right? So according to our addition problem, it says that 11 is equal to 1 plus 10. So the 1 is going to be our first part. So if 1 is our first part, how many dots will I draw in the first part? 1 is correct. Now, if 10 is what I'm adding to the 1, how many will I put in the second part? If you said 1, that's not quite correct because that means that 1 plus 1 is going to equal 2. And our whole number is 11 today. But if you said the number 10, you are correct. The second part of our number bond is 10. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right? So the number bond represents, we have 11 equals 1 plus 10. Or you can flip it and say that 10 plus 1 equals 11. However you choose to write it is your preference. okay? So let's go on to the next number bond. This time, let's see. I think I'm going to use triangles as my shape. So I'm going to draw one large triangle and then two smaller triangles. Okay? All right, so if we're working with the number 11, what number is going to go in the whole part of my number bond? Correct, the number 11. Let me switch the color marker. So 11. Good. Now, we're going to do 11 equals 5 plus 6. So, what number will I write in my first part? The number 5. And my second part for my number bond is what? 11 equals 5 plus the number 6. You are correct. All right? So let's write the number sentence. 5 plus 6 equals 11. Or you can say 11 equals 5 plus 6. Okay? You cannot say that 5 equals 11 plus 6 or 6 equals 5 plus 11. You cannot say that because that sentence is not true. So you can only add the two parts together to make the number, the whole number in the top, okay? But you cannot add the whole number and a part to make a part. That's not how it goes. We will flip that around as subtraction, but we'll review that tomorrow using the same number. So today we're just going to work on addition, and we have one more number bond. 11 equals 9 plus 2. So I want to go ahead and use my orange marker. And this time, I'm just going to do the standard one. I'm going to use circles. So my larger circle and my two smaller circles. All right? Whole, part, part. Part, part, whole. Okay? So let's go ahead and represent this equation. 11 equals 9 plus 2. Okay? So what number goes in the first part? The number 9 or the number 2. We're going to use the number 9. So let's do 9 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? I know that's probably kind of small. You probably can't see it as clearly, but it's okay. And then we're going to do 2 dots in the next part. 1, 2. So we have 9 and we have 2. 9 plus 2 equals what, friends? That number for today. Good, 11. Let's draw 11 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay? Now, what you're going to do in your notebook or on a piece of paper that your parents may provide with you, you are going to do the number of the day, which is the number 12. We didn't have the number of the day yesterday. We just worked on the number 11 today. And then for your own personal practice today, you're going to use the number 12. So you are going to, I know we did 3 number bonds on this paper together, but you only have to do 2 number bonds, okay? So you get to choose 2 out of the 3 equations. The first equation is 12 equals 6 plus 6. Then you have 12 equals 4 plus 8. And you have 12 equals 10 plus 2. So you're going to choose 2 of these equations, and then you are going to draw 2 number bonds to represent your 2 equations. Now remember, you can use pictures in your number bonds, sunshine, smiley faces, apples, oranges, circles, or if you don't feel like it, you can just write the number because we all need practice in writing our numbers. So you're going to, on your personal paper notebook, you're going to copy 2 of the equations, and they're also posted on Google Classroom and Class Dojo. And you're going to draw 2 number bonds to represent those 2 equations, and then you're going to upload it so that I can see your assignment, and you're going to get points. Each number bond is worth 5 points. So this assignment is worth 10 points altogether. Okay, friends? So let's review. We worked with number bonds today, and you're going to do the number of the day, which is the number 12. You're going to pick 2 of these equations, and you're going to draw 2 number bonds to represent the number of the day, and to represent those 2 equations that you selected. You can use pictures, or you can use numbers, or you can use a combination of both. I'll see you soon. I hope that you get your work done. You listen to your parents. And if you have any question, parents, you can check into our parent meeting, which is at 1:15 today. All right. Talk to you soon, everybody. Love you.